Hey everybody, I have the Doo Wang seat covers. I'm gonna put a description and link where you can buy them. Here they are. We're gonna put them in the Ford Lightning 150. They're gonna come awesome. They came in a great package. Look at this. It's well concealed, well protected when you get it shipped from them. Good product. It gives you instructions how you can install them, and it comes with some brackets too, and they're seat covers for the Ford 150. I'm gonna open them up and let you know how these things are. I just opened them up. Look at this. High quality. Awesome product. Look at this. Wow. This is gonna look awesome in the truck. Oh my God. Just the quality of the material is awesome. Well built, well structured. Let me start installing them. This should be easy. Okay guys, I'm gonna start taking out this part of the seat so I can actually put the seat cover in here so they see how the seat cover comes out first. Okay, here we go. So now I'm putting this cover on and it's coming out good. And let's move on to the next one. So now for the front covers, I'm gonna scrap these underneath and they're gonna attach to it. So I'm gonna put them underneath here, this is the front cover seat, and then they're gonna be attached. So let's do that right now. Here's the front covers. Awesome fabrics. What I did, I attach it on the bottom of this, and then you can actually tape them with this too in the back. I put this on. These are the front covers. They look pretty awesome. Look at that. These are the back ones. They give you what the strap. Here's the strap. As you can see, the strap is right here. They fit comfortable. The material's it's pretty good. Water resistance. It's made of a fabric that's very tough, and it has a cushion. It feels comfortable when you're riding these. And let me show you the back, how it came out. Here's the back, and it comes with instructions. These are the straps that they give you. As you can see how it comes out. Came out awesome. These strap in the bottom too. Here's the straps. They go underneath, they strap. And the thing about these, as you can see on the front covers, it's got pockets too. You can put stuff in here. So this is pretty awesome. These will protect your seats in the back. Definitely, I do recommend having some of these. This is for a Ford Lightning F-150. So they fit perfectly. And the thing is, the material is pretty strong. It's just the back seats. There's a little bit of sun out here, but it's just the back seat. And the cushions are very good. So I like the cushions. They came out awesome. Like I said, it comes with instructions. I'm gonna put a description where you could buy these. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me. Thank you.